Hello, welcome to the Vehicle Space Optimization software. In this example, we will explain how to create a fleet truck. A fleet truck is different from a truck model or truck class in that it's a physical truck that exists in the warehouse. For example, you may have a truck type. You say these are 12 trucks that have 12 bays or 14 bays or 16 bays. And then you can have fleet trucks that are iterations of those trucks or instances of those trucks. So let's put an example. First, we will log in, okay, with a login password. Then we will go to the warehouse section. We will click on trucks. Previously, we had worked with the truck types and we had created a sample truck. Here's a sample truck. And this is a truck model. This truck model may have different fleet trucks associated with it. So now we go to the fleet truck section and we click on right click new. And then here we can select the type. In this case, the type will be the sample truck, the one that we created previously. Okay. The next part is the part where we determine how many dividers will be inside the truck. Dividers are sheets or they're slabs that can be used to divide a bay. For instance, if it's a tall bay, it can divide it in two half-size bays. But sometimes the number of dividers inside a truck is limited. Let's say the truck has 12 bays that could be divided, or 10 bays or 8 bays that could be divided, but it only has 4 dividers. So in this case, we would assign a number to it, like 4. But if we have infinite dividers, or we know that all the bays can be divided, we can use 0. So let's just leave it 0. The code is the name of the truck, and this name is important because it's the one that will be reflected every time we load a route. If we have a route, that route will be associated with a truck name. The truck name in this case is for the fleet truck. So let's just put it F230099, and then whenever we have a route that refers to this truck, we know that we'll be using it. Serial is like a serial number of a truck, could be anything, can be any number. And the license is like the license plate of the truck, could be anything too. Okay, cabin color is to distinguish the trucks with the other ones. And we click on save. So now, whenever we want to use this truck, we can use a sample truck. You can click on sample. Okay, and then we have this new model, new fleet truck that we added that refers to the sample truck model, and this truck could be used for routes. Thank you.